Every roll of toilet paper begins with the harvest of sustainable timber.
From forest to pulp, the raw material is now ready for transformation into paper.
Pulp travels through a network of pipes, moving toward processing stations.
Pre-pressing prepares fibers for the thin paper sheet formation.
High-pressure air removes invisible contaminants. Mechanical brushing smooths every fiber layer. Proper tension keeps production flawless. Sheets are sorted by fiber density. This is where sheets become the foundation of every roll. Bond strength is tested in real time.
The master roll moves toward precise conversion.
Each roll is sealed for stability. Finished rolls move toward final assembly.